Hello everyone, today I bring you another project. This is the fold film camera. And it's not only a model, there's actual film in it. Here's the bend thing, where you can bend it at what. And here is the inside of the camera. There's the hole where the light will come in when you take a photo. Now, the inside. Alright. It says warning. If open in light, film will be ruined. And it says fold film camera, 1970s. So let's see the film. I'm gonna put it this way because there's no light. Oh. There's the film all ready to go, and we're gonna use the camera today. Alright, I have to get my shoes on first, and then go and use the camera. Alright. Alright, let's go. This camera is also pretty cool for a prop, because me and my friend I'm gonna hopefully someday get pallet forks, and I'm gonna make a Civil War base, and we can use this camera in the role play. And I was gonna paint the camera black, the little fold thing, but I have no paintbrush. So let's see. Nice and sunny today. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day out today. And I'm gonna test out my film camera. Right now, the film is exposed. Oh, ooh. Alright, it sits like that. Well, I'm going to teach you how to use it if you're going to make this. Here's one of my metal detecting finds. Now, first you have to pull these up. Oh, you have to adjust it. Maybe up to there. Maybe like up to there. Let's just check. Oh my god, there's so much light. Nope, it's not good. That will do. Alright, as you can see, it is directly, it's dark in there, and let's put it at a beautiful part of the house. And you're gonna want to turn it. Alright, it's turned. Now, you're gonna want to open the latch and let the light come through. I'll get back to you when the film is done. I have to wait for 15 minutes. Alright, it is done. Now, what you want to do next is you want to close this. It's very important to keep it closed. Then you're going to take your camera into a dark area for it to develop, such as a closet, which that's what I'm going to choose. Hopefully you can find it. Right. Next, what you want to do is been in a dark room for 15 minutes. Like this. Bye-bye, camera. See you when you're done. Get back to you when that's done. Alright, it's done. Let me put this back. Alright, then you're gonna want to. Then you're gonna want to take it out. And you don't want to do anything until you go to a store and get the people to take out the film to develop it. Thank you for following my guide on, well, this basically was supposed to be me showing you the camera, but actually, it was kind of like a tutorial how to use these cameras if you made this exact model. So yeah, thank you for watching, and comment, subscribe, and bye. I hope you like it.